Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Telegram, one of the most popular messaging apps out there. I'll walk you through the steps to get started, so let's dive in. First thing first, you have to head over to the App Store. Let's tap in the App Store, and in the search bar at the very top you have to type in Telegram, and at the very first you can see the Telegram Messenger app. That's it. You have to tap in this button right here. It may take a while depending on how good your internet connection is. You may have to wait for some time while it's loading. And there you have it. You can either directly tap in that open option right there, or you can simply go back and you have successfully downloaded the Telegram app in your device. Now you can start messaging, sharing files, and joining channels and groups. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.